Hello friends, today I will teach you accountancy class 11 chapter 3 question number 11. ये क्वेश्चन ये कह रहा है जनरलाइज द फॉलोइंग ट्रांजेक्शन इन द बुक ऑफ हिमांशु। तो फर्स्ट ट्रांजेक्शन ये कह रहा है दिसंबर 01, जैसे यहाँ पे मैंने प्लॉट किया है दिसंबर 01, बिजनेस स्टार्ट विथ कैश 75,000। तो यहाँ पे टू ट्रांजेक्शन इंक्रीज, टू अकाउंट्स इंक्लूड, एक कैश अकाउंट, सेकंड कैपिटल अकाउंट। तो कैश इज ए एसेट, कैपिटल इज द कैटेगरी ऑफ कैपिटल। एसेट इंक्रीज in asset goes to debit side, that's why I go to debit side, and then यहाँ पे plot the amount 50,000, and increase in capital goes to credit side according to the formula. So then plot the amount of 75,000. Then narration is the being cash invested in the business. Next transaction is purchase goods for cash. तो next transaction 7 December, purchase is the asset because purchase is the category of stock and stock is the asset. That's why the purchase is asset, and increase asset goes to debit side, and decrease cash goes to credit side. Then plot the amount 10,000, and then 10,000 on the debit and credit side. Narration is the being goods purchase. Next December 09, 9th December, sold goods to Swati. Swati is the debtor because goods sold on credit to Swati. In this transaction, the question tells us sold goods to Swati means sold goods to Swati on credits. If name are given in the question, we can assume that the sold of goods on credit. That's why Swati is the creditor, and we always know Swati was a debtor, and this is a category of asset. That's why we debit Swati and credit sales. And then plot the amount 5,000, and the narration is the being goods sold to Swati. Then start next transaction December 12, purchase furniture 3,000. Furniture is the category of asset, and increase asset goes to debit side, and cash, second account is the cash decline for purchasing furniture. That's why we credit the cash because cash decline, and decline in asset goes to credit side. That's why I plot the transaction furniture account DR to cash account. Then the amount is the 3,000, by mistake 3,000, and the 3,000 on credit side. Narration is the being furniture purchased. Next transaction is the December 18. Cash received from Swati in full installment. Swati, cash received, cash is the asset, and increase in asset goes to debit sides, and decrease Swati is the debtor, and decrease in asset goes to credit side. in this transaction, sold goods Swati 5,000, receive amount from Swati 4,000. That means discount allowed to the Swati for paying the for receiving cash. That's why the one account is hidden in this transaction. This is a discount account. So discount is the expense, or expense increase expense goes to debit side. That's why the journal entry is the cash account DR, discount account DR to Swati account. Cash account 4,000, discount account 1,000, and Swati account is the 5,000. Narration is the being cash received from Swati. Next transaction is the December 25. Paid rent is the expense increase goes to debit side, and cash decrease cash is an asset and goes to credit side. Rent, the final transaction is the rent account DR to cash account 1,000. Next transaction is the December 2030. Paid salary. Always salary is the expense, and increase expense goes to debit side. Decrease cash and goes to credit side. That's why the December entry is the salary account DR 1,500 and to cash account 1,500. Total of the amount is the 1,500,000. Both the debit and credit side equal. This is the final transaction. Always read all the transaction, calculate two accounts from the detail of the questions, and plot the journal entry. This is the very simple process. Let's finish the question. Okay, bye bye. We will meet after